Hi, welcome back. In batch management in S/4HANA, how to post stock in old or new batches. Okay, this is a simple thing for stock posting. Let me show you this. Okay, so before that, let me raise an order. Okay, how available to check the whether your batches is having any stock or not. Okay, let's take, for example, I'm just taking 100 stock. You can able to see this. The confirmed stock is 0. Why? Because if you look at there, what my scope of check, it says uh, like so if you see this, the combination of checking group and checking rule for sales order. So CH is specifically in standard for batches actually. So it is checking and it is telling that if I go for continue and if you check in schedule lines, actually stock is not confirmed. Okay. So first, yesterday I have explained the batch management clearly. Okay. So someone is asked actually, so how do we handle this? Okay. So let's give the plant and let's give the storage location and let's try to execute it. Okay. One second. Let me try to copy the material actually. So what I needed. So it ends with 86. One moment. So just copy. So this is the place where you can able to find the what I would say material actually. Okay, let's try to execute this. So no stock is not available. If stock is not available, it is not going to show your respective available batches also. But where we can able to see this? This I have already explained out of my 1,000+ videos, one of the video, this is the table for MCHB. Okay, so this actually is going to give details about what are all the existing batches available. Okay, so we are holding three batches, 162, 163, and 164. Let's in S/4HANA, we're using Migo for stock posting. Your traditional MB1C is not available. It is absolute. Absolute means it is gone from the system. Okay, so like let's take the plant and let's try to post the stock actually. Whenever I am enter, it is asking for batch. Probably like you can able to see this 162. This is for existing batch. Okay, so let's try to do some good stock posting. Okay, let's try to check here. So it will ask because since we have activated at a batch level classification. Okay, so this is fine, all good. Okay, so maybe I'll take. Okay, this is all good, I think. Already posted. Okay, that's fine. Still, I want more stock. Okay, that's just a warning. Don't worry. So we posted a stock for 162. Okay, so let's try to do the post for 163 and 164 also. Okay, because it is needed for me for further scenario to explain you. So let's go for it. Okay, so let's take 163. Okay, all good. Check. No problem. Enter. Post. So let's go for one more, 164. Okay. Uh, let's go for where from this plant. And same story again, the storage location. Okay. So this is the batch and okay. So we want it for 164, this one. Okay, check, enter, post. So someone is watching directly this video before my batch management sessions. So they don't know. If they are beginner, then they can able to learn. So how to post the stock for new batch also. Suppose I'm not going to give any batch. Just click on check so that it is asking for new batch actually. Okay. So this is 165. Okay. Just say enter. So now check now. So it is asking classification to get maintained. Let's maintain some days, some 2 days, no issue. Okay, all good. Now it will turn to the green and post. Okay. So once you have done that, let's go to the MMBE. Okay. So here we go. So now you can able to see the all the batches with the stocks actually. So now you can able to rise and a sales order so that to avoid that error. Okay. So let me put this one. Okay. So now maybe like 10 pieces I'm taking. This is sufficient for me. So if I go for delivery, no problem. We'll try to. So let's take this one. Let's see this. All good. Go to the picking tab. Just click this. You guys, so it's picked the 169. This is what I would say, batch actually. Okay. So let's post it because since it is going to expire early, yesterday I have explained. So this is how you can able to post the stock actually. Okay. Yesterday I clearly explained two parts, batch management part one and part two. Okay. If you are not at watched those sessions, complete dedicated sessions for batch management in S/4HANA, please watch it. It will be helpful for you. There is no doubt on that. Now, if you look at this, currently I'm holding 7,000 plus students. So in this, like this is one of the best course. Okay, S/4HANA, 61 hours. Yesterday I have added my batch management session. Apart from that batch management session, you can able to find around 200, 203 lectures. Okay, explained. If you really want, you can able to subscribe it. This is for rebate settlement. I have done it. It has its own importance always in ECC or S4HANA also for rebates. So that's why I have explained clearly. Okay, you will not disappoint. You can try that course, and it will be continuously get updated. And this video also will be updated over there. Thank you so much. Wishing you all the best. Have a great day. Jai Bharat. Love your country wherever you are.